How to use Atome Installment in Shopee. Now, before doing this method or this process, make sure that you already set it up your Atome card installment and make sure that you do have the Atome card on hand. Now, all you have to do first is go or access your Shopee account and make sure that you're logged in. From here, go to the Me tab at the lower right portion and then find and locate the gear icon, which is the left side of your card. From there, go to bank accounts / cards. Now, this is going to be the page in which you will be adding your Atom card for you to be able to use it as a payment method while you shop. So tap on plus add new card, and in here you'll have to input manually. You'll have the card number from your Atom card, the expiration date of the card, the CVV code, and the name printed on the card. So once everything is filled out, you can now go ahead and shop any products or items in Shopee and use your Atom card installment as a payment method. So that's it. That's how you use your Atom installment in Shopee.